Hi folks, this is Paul, WMSOhio.com, bringing in 1959, mostly all original. It was a fire truck at one time. It's been converted into just a water truck. It's got a water tanker on it. The old backup dinger on the wheel there. Really good running truck. Brakes, stops, goes just like it should. Don't know if I'd want to drive it around country, but around this county it'd be fine to drive, or convert into a car hauler. I'd do some updates on the brakes and things like that. The old outdoor spotlight still works on it. See if it'll fire up here for you. How it runs, guys. Turn of a key. Fires right up. Seat is in as good a condition as you could hope for. Original seat. Wipers. Lights. Everything appears to work. It's got 12,193 miles on it. Those are actual miles. We're going to get those. We know they're actual. We're trying to get them verified since it's an out-of-state unit, so we might have to send out some paperwork on that, but those should be the actual miles. Big siren up on top is not hooked up any longer, but the horn is still there. It's got your V8, good battery, it starts right up. Biggest rust issue is on that body support right there behind the front tire. Other than that, just surface rust on that frame. Looks real good. All the rubber's real nice. Again, this is Paul at WMSOhio.com. 59 Ford. Excellent shaped truck to do something with, and original miles at 12,000.